Hi, it's Anusha. So I am doing a promotion for my Bandcamp merch. Can I get it done before 11 at night when it's my bedtime? We'll see. Right now, I've just finished one. I did like a really like a schoolgirl pin-up thing. Took a couple of minutes, maybe like 30. So now I'm gonna redo my makeup. I'm gonna redo my outfit. The next outfit, which I drew at, is the goat one. So this is more to do with scapegoats. So this is the goat outfit. You can't really tell, but yeah, this is my goat outfit that I drew at, and I'm gonna put that on, and then do the second photo shoot. Yeah, but before we do anything, I'm gonna eat my nuggets. Just an update. I can't move my legs, so it is now almost 10 o'clock. Don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna have to take it easy. But I had my dinner. Do a good 6 out of 10. Yeah, now I'm just a bit stuck. She's a go! She's the go! So, changed the look. I was inspired by someone from Flow in my bag video. It kind of looked like a goat lip, so I thought, fuck it, let me try. Went for a pink blush, and it was actually really hard to get the white to show up on my eyes, but they did, so thank God. And then yeah, just did my usual dramatic liner, which I'm very famous for. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick goat shoot. The hilarious thing, the makeup is taking the longest. The actual because I'm not being picky, and I'm not like overdoing the shots. I don't really care about the lighting. I am literally just here to take a picture and go. The shots are taking like 15 minutes. So, however, on the bad note, it's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm running out of time. But, if I do 15 minutes to 11, do 10 minutes for the next makeup look, which is literally just red, like grey, this should be done roughly by about, let's say 11:30, latest 11:45. Have a drink, go to bed, all is well. Just gotta work with it. I'm done by 11:45. I just need to clean my kitchen now because my kitchen is so dirty. And I'm done. Done for the rest of the day. I always implore myself to do shoots that don't mean anything, like that are low stakes, that are just a bit of fun, and that allow me to have like a play around with makeup. And basically it's almost like a challenge. I'm like, how can I wear something and basically like modify it so it looks new? Because I wouldn't say on a course, but like one thing I set out to do when I make stuff like this and my music stuff and whatever is I try not to buy anything new. Or if I do, I buy like one statement piece, which was a top, a frilly top that I had, and I'm like, how can I use this like 10 times or 15 times so that it gets the use out of it and I'm like actively using it. So yeah, that's been really handy. That's been really fun to do. I will say my legs are done. My legs are shut down. Thank God I don't have anything to do tomorrow. Now the challenge is, can I get all of these photos edited? When I say edited, just put some cute colour over it and, you know, edit the like skin and stuff, you know, to like blur or whatever. Again, don't have to do it fully. Like again, this ain't cover art or anything. But it's enough that I just need to proper concentrate and lock in. I'm going to make sure I get a good night's sleep. Going to make sure I get my 7 hours, 7.5 hours. And yeah, just going to, ensure that things get done. Because I need to post these tomorrow. Because it's Bandcamp Friday. It's time for bed. It is now 11:56.